going to discuss about OT parameter of Dixell digital control, and this model is XR06CX. The OT parameter, guys, is the room sensor calibration, and this sensor goes into my refrigerator, okay, there inside. Okay, I decide to go live, so those who wants to interact with me, just go ahead and we're going to have a short discussion about this OT parameter. Okay, the set point for this is we're going to check. Okay, it's set to -7. Okay, I'm going to change this. I'm going to change that with 1 degree Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. So this will be our set point. Okay, to change that, let's change first the set point. Let's see if it can. Okay, adding can. Let's change that to 1 degree Celsius. And take a look. The compressor, the symbol for the compressor is on, but once I'm going to set this one, it will turn off because the temperature this room is already 0.9, so going negative. Okay, so it's very important to do OT or the room sensor calibration when the set point is 1 to 4 degrees Celsius, and this is for chiller. Okay, take note, guys, ha. This is for chiller. And the one here is our set point. Okay, and set point compressor cut off, while the 4 here is HY, our HY, which is the differential, and that differential is the compressor cut in. So we have now a regulation with the compressor. Okay, and in the Dixell, the compressor is. Oh, that's my problem, guys. My internet is being lag now. I was notified that it's reconnecting, so I'm not sure if my audio again is okay, because last time I'm on air but my audio is being cut. If someone on the line, just comment it down, guys, if I have audio, because honestly I don't know if I have it. And now let's proceed, guys, to the OT. Okay, you can find this to the parameters. If you buy Dixell control, it has a manual. Now I'm going to mark 0 here. 0 is the default. Okay, default value. Okay, whatever control it's always 0, the default. Now I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 12. It depends. Now we're going down. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6, going -12. So I repeat, it depends on the model. Now, this is a crucial or very interesting topic for beginners like me. Okay? For example, guys, we have a chiller. And this chiller is let's say it's a tapping chiller. Okay? So, in our case, we have a big table. So, it has a many more tappings here. So, the temperature for the make table range for 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay? And our sensor is located here. Okay? Under the ball. Okay? I hope you know what I'm talking here. It's all about tapping chiller or make table. Okay? Now, this sensor under reads, and this is our sensor. And to make calibration, guys, as I have said, the OT parameter is always set to 0. Okay? If you put 0 for this Dixell, you're compromising the product quality. Okay? There are times that this tapping chiller, the door is frequently open. Okay? Okay, let's say this is the door, and it has a division, so it has a handle. So on top it has a handle there. Once open, what happened to the temperature, it will escape, right? And the temperature rise up to, let's say, you open this and it is the value of 1, then you open a certain seconds or minutes, the temperature rise to 4 and the compressor will start and going to meet this 1 degree Celsius again. But the question is, what if this make table is going to run for 30 minutes because you have a lot of product to prepare to be cooked, and the control is, oh, I have a bad drawing. Okay, so assuming this is the top view, guys, assuming that this is the top view, so we're going to prepare a product here. For example, this is the pan for the dough, and you have two team member going to make a pizza, so they're going to put topping here. Now, let's say 30 minutes. 30 minutes, the two door is open. So what do you think is the temperature for the 30 minutes? Is the temperature within the range? This is the range is 1. Sorry about that. I was cut again. Hopefully, I still have an audio, guys. Okay. Now, if you set your Dixell here to the default 0, okay, you're compromising the product quality. Okay, so what you have to do, guys, all what you have to do is to make a calibration. So either you go to, ideally I set that to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, I set that to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, why should I put 4 here? Because if we're going to put 4, take a look. We go actual. We will actual that one, guys. Okay, take a look. It's 0.4. Okay, let's enter the calibration. Just press the set button and R down button and up button, and the OT is here. Just press set and take a look. It says it's negative, so the one here is -8, so we are here. Okay, here the -8. So we will set it to 0 first. Okay, and then we're gonna check what is the real temperature. Set the compressor on, And let's see. Let's wait for certain seconds to go back to the display, or 15 minutes inactivity, or just press the set button here and up button, and there is it. So this is the actual temperature of my fridge here. I have a fridge here. Okay, that's the actual temperature. Now, it's not within the range, right? So all you have to do, guys, we're going to put the value of 4 to the OT calibration, okay? To the OT parameter, sorry. We're going to put, the purpose of that, guys, is you're going to add temperature in the cabinet, okay? You're going to add temperature in the cabinet. And my drawing is bad, okay? If this is not a live, guys, so I can post something on it. So let's say this is the cabinet, and this is the compressor chamber. It has a 3-door. Okay, so this is your cabinet. So usually the make table, it has a bottom cabinet, and it has to prepare something. Okay, so let's do the calibration. If I'm going to put 4 here, so 4 or 8.3 plus 4, because we're going to add the temperature in the cabinet, okay, or on the top deck. Okay, so 8 plus 4 equals sorry, 12.3. Okay, let's do that again. Just press the set and arrow down button for 3 seconds, and HY appear. Press up button, then press, and we're going to add 4 degrees Celsius. If the store or the one you're maintaining it is a busy, just put 5, then no problem for that. Okay, see, it's 12 degrees Celsius. And your product now is maintain its, sorry, you are in standard temperature, although even though the door of your make table is frequently open, because you add the temperature in the cabinet. Okay, here's the cabinet, or because the make table, it has a two section, usually 2 compressor also. So you have the top here. Okay, okay, here is it. Okay, so if you open it, it looks like this, because you open. Okay, if you close it, it will close. Okay, this make table looks like. So there are product here, there are a lot of balls here, like that. So the control is over here, the Dixell is over here. So this is the bottom cabinet, and this is the topping. Okay, so you have a 2 controller here, two compressor. So that's my table. Okay, so as I said a while ago, you can go to 4 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Celsius, just add it. Okay, and you're going to maintain the 1 to 4 degrees Celsius, even though this door is keep opening because of a lot of orders to be prepared. And one of the problem, guys, once you're a technician, is the auditor. We have the internal auditor and the external auditor. Okay, the external auditor, they have the they have the power to close your store if you're not meeting this standard. Okay, take note guys, this is HACCP standard temperature, okay, for make table for chiller. Okay, here is the chiller. So the external auditor, they're going to check your product. They have a thermometer and they put on the product. Okay, they don't mind the temperature for the meantime, but the day after, if the product, they're going to measure the temperature once in the range, so you have no problem. Although due to frequent door opening, this display is fluctuating also. So the secret here is the calibration. Okay, you do not go beyond. You cannot put your set point to either -5. Okay, if you want to put -5 there, it's a faulty. Okay, you cannot do that. Okay, you go beyond. It's not proper way to set the set point. Okay, because if you do that, you are now outside the boundary. So that's why the engineers who designed this Dixell, they put OT calibration, OT parameter for us technician to do calibration. Okay, for this is case-to-case basis, guys. Once you use Dixell for freezer, so it doesn't matter. But for the chiller, it matter. Okay, so if you want to put, if you want to add temperature here, newly change the compressor, you want to go home now, you go here, the negative side, you bring value to the display. Okay, you want to just go here. Okay, for example, you want to go home now, just go to -12, and that value will going to just add 12 plus 12 equals -24. Then that's it. But I'm warning you, just do this for maintaining this product temperature, this temperature. Okay, so that's all, and I'm going to check if I still have an audio, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.